The question is, in brackets, 18 plus 6, close bracket, divided by 3 plus 12 divided by, in brackets, 2 plus 1, according to PEMDAS. P for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. So first, we'll solve the parentheses. Let's do the solution here. 18 plus 6, that becomes 24. Inside the bracket, divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 12. If we solve this bracket, 2 plus 1 becomes 3. Let's solve further. 24 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 3. Now, first we look at the division here. So division comes first, then addition. We will give first priority to division and second priority to addition. So here it's 24 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8 times, and 12 divided by 3 is 4 times. Now 1 plus 4, so it becomes 8 plus 4. That's the answer. This is the right transfer.